Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to find your signatures in bank account online. Now there are many banks which show you your signature when you go to personal details and simply download the statement. So there are your signatures, but there are many banks that do not show you that kind of signatures there. So what you can do is the only solution is you have to visit the nearby branch of your bank, and when you visit there they will check your ID, and when your ID is confirmed, they will let you see your signatures. And in case if you want to change your signatures, you will have to give an application, and once the application is processed, they will change your signatures within few days. Now that is the only solution. You might find your signatures either in your mobile banking app in statements or personal details, but most of banks do not show their signatures in their mobile app or online for some safety reasons. So that is how you can check your signatures online.